A very good morning to all of you. I hope you all are doing good. So, today we will be learning about how to find the place value of a certain digit in a number and how to write that number in expanded form. So, अगर हमारे पास कोई नंबर है एंड हमें उस नंबर में से किसी डिजिट की प्लेस वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है तो हम कैसे फाइंड करेंगे एंड उस नंबर को एक्सपैंडेड फॉर्म में अगर लिखना है तो वो हम कैसे लिखेंगे इस वीडियो के थ्रू आज हम सीखेंगे. ओके, सो आई हैव सम कॉइन्स विद मी. आई हैव अरेंज्ड these coins in place value chart. This is a place value chart: ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakhs, and these are all the places. And I have arranged these coins in different places. So first we will find the digits of a number by adding the coins in one place and writing the digits. Like in ones place there are two coins of 2 rupee each. So the total money in 1 rupee is 4. So the digit here is 4. Now coming to tens place, as we can see there are two coins of 1 each. So the total money is 2. So the digit here will be 2. At 100 place there is a 5 rupee coin. So the digit here will be 5. At 1000 place we can see there is no coin. So the digit at 1000 place will be 0. At 10,000 place we can see a 1 rupee coin. So the digit at 10,000 place is 1. And at lakhs period we can see there are three coins of 2 rupee each. So the total money in lakhs period is equals to 6. So the digit here at lakhs place will be equal to 6. Now I have the digits of the number. If I have to find the place value of all the digits of this number, so what I will simply do is I will multiply the digit with the place. For example, in ones place the digit here is 4, and since 4 is at ones place, so we'll multiply 4 by 1. So 4 multiplied by 1 will be equal to 4. So the place value of 4 in this number is 4 only. You will not say that the place value of 4 is 1. It is 4. Okay. Now coming to tens place, the digit here is 2. So we will multiply 2 by 10. So 2 multiplied by 10 will be equal to 20. So 20 is the place value of the digit 2. Now coming to hundreds place, it is 5 here. So we will multiply 5 by 100. So the place value of 5 will be 500. Children usually they do write whenever it is asked the place value of 5, they will write the place value of 5 is 100. No, it is not 100. The place value of 5 will be 5 multiplied by the place, that is 100. So 5 multiplied by 100 will be equal to 500. Now coming to 1000 place, we can see that the digit here is 0. So 0 multiplied by the place value, that is 100, will be equal to 0 only. So the place value of 0 is 0 only. Okay. Now coming to 10,000 place, it is 1 here. So 1 multiplied by 10,000, 1 multiplied by 10,000 will be equal to 10,000 only. So the place value of 1 is 10,000. And at lakhs period we can see the digit is 6. So 6 multiplied by lakhs, 1 lakh. 6 multiplied by 1 lakhs will be equal to 6 lakhs. So the place value of 6 in this number is 6 lakh and not lakhs. Okay. So we have found the place values of all the digits. Now we will write the expanded form. And how to write the expanded form? It's simple. You will write all the place values and put summation sign in between or addition sign in between. So that will be the expanded form of the number. So the number here is 6,10,524. So we have to write this number in expanded form. So we'll simply write all the place value and put the summation sign in between. So 6 lakhs, place value of 6 is 6 lakhs plus place value of 1 is 10,000, plus place value of 0 is 0 only, plus place value of 500 is, place value of 5 is 500, plus place value of 2 is 20, and place value of 4 is 4 only. So this is the expanded form of the number, and when you will add all them, you will get 6,10,524. So the total money I have is 6,10,524 when I arrange these coins in different places. Okay, so I hope now you all must have understood what is place value, how to find the place value, and how to write a number in expanded form. Okay, so have a close look at all the coins. I hope you all liked the video. So if you want me to make more such videos, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you and have a nice day.